Hello, let's solve another problem related to Coulomb's law. This time there are 3 point charges. So 3 identical point charges of 2 microcoulombs are placed on the x-axis. First charge is at the origin. Second charge is to the right at x equals 50 cm. The third is at the 100 cm mark. What are the magnitude and direction of the electrostatic force which acts on the charge at the origin? According to the problem, there are 3 charges, so let us create the x-axis. And the first charge is at the origin. Let's call this Q1. Second charge, on second thought, let's just call this Q because according to the problem, the point charges are identical. Second charge is at the 50 centimeter mark. The third charge is at the 100 centimeter mark. Let's say that this is the origin. And this is the 50 centimeter mark. And this is the 100 centimeter mark. So we know that the first charge is 50 centimeters away from the second charge. And that the second charge is also 50 centimeters away from the third charge. And the first charge is 100 centimeters away from the third charge. So the question is, what are the magnitude and direction of the electrostatic force which acts on the charge at the origin? So the charge at the origin is this charge. And to solve this problem, let us combine the two forces that are acting on the charge at the origin. So the charge at the origin is repelled by the second charge, and it is also repelled by the third charge. So if we draw a free body diagram of the first charge, this is the first charge. It is repelled by the second charge, and it is also repelled by the third charge. Obviously, the next thing to do is to add all these two forces. They are both pointing in the same direction, which means that you can add them if you remember the rules of vectors. But let's first solve for F1. F1 is K times Q over R1 squared. And in this case, where R1 is 50 centimeters, so 0.5 meters. And F2 is KQQ again, divided by R2 squared. And R2 is the distance between the first charge and the third charge. And that is 100 centimeter or 1 meter. So after you do that, solve for the what is called the net force or the total force acting on the first charge is just F1 plus F2. You can just add them because they are in the same direction. And if you do this, you will find that the answer is around 0.18 newtons to the left. I encourage you to try. I just don't have a calculator with me right now. And If you are confident that you got the correct answer using the correct solution, then please solve this problem on your own. Pause the video, and that is it. Thank you and good day.